My Discord account got hacked. Those of you who are responsible, I will not be intimidated by your games. I strongly condemn whatever happened to me. My mother has just finished getting her butt surgery. I will not be afraid, and I will not be intimidated. Truth and justice will prevail.
You may be wondering who this man on your screen is and why he's crying. Well, this is today's specimen, Lazar Wolf, or Zigzag Buster, who starved himself for a woman he had a crush on, and he also nearly groomed a 15-year-old boy until he was stopped by Nana.
Alright. It's day one of my fast. I haven't even eaten breakfast. This is genuinely out of repentance for my own actions. And right now, I'm on good terms with Louisa again, but I've decided to continue on anyway. Okay, this is day 6 of my fast. I would like to say this to everyone. It is done. I'm ending it right now.
Here's the evidence. Here, in one of his DMs with me on Discord, he allegedly stated outright that Lazar Wolf may be a pedophile weirdo. In a separate screenshot, he refers to him as a creep. Not only that, but we found some of the accounts that Lazar Wolf may be gooning to. Here's one account entitled Glitter M Cosplay. Another account is titled Elizabeth and allegedly draws furry art. Here's a third glittery girly account that he allegedly may be gooning to. Needless to say, this man is very weird and he needs a job. Please like this video to raise awareness of this serious issue.